Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Hope Higher Secondary School, Mirwa Gorchani. Hope you all are fine. Let's discuss about data handling. So first of all, what is data handling? Data handling is the process of collecting, organizing, analyzing, and presenting data in a meaningful way. It involves number 1, data collecting, means gathering information from various sources. Number 2, organizing data, arranging data in a logical order. Number 3, analyzing data, examining data to identify patterns, trends, and relationships. Number 4, presenting data, displaying data in a clear and concise manner, often using graphs, charts, and tables. In daily life, data handling is used in various activities such as recording and analyzing weather data, creating graphs and charts for projects, analyzing data for business or scientific purpose. Thank you for watching.